This video provides a walkthrough of the Raven Connected web application, demonstrating some of the system's main features. To log into the web app, use your email address and password. A welcome email is sent to new customers including these credentials along with user guides and support contact information. Once logged in, you're presented with the Vehicles tab, showing all current vehicles and trips. To the left of the screen, you will find the vehicles pop out. This includes the list of all of your vehicles, showing their current status. The map is highly configurable, allowing you to show or hide specific vehicles, zoom in or out, turn on or off traffic, switch between satellite and map views, enable or disable breadcrumb trails, and enter full screen map mode. Clicking on the vehicle icon within the map will prompt a pop-up that provides additional status information, preview image, and the option to send a short message to the screen of the installed Raven. If the vehicle is parked, the message will appear the next time the vehicle is turned on. At the bottom of the screen, you will note the Details panel, providing information for the current trip of the selected vehicle. You can expand the view of events and previews by clicking and dragging on the panel until you reach the desired view. From here, you can also temporarily share the vehicle's trip with anyone by sending a link that includes a live tracking of the vehicle and images from the road-facing camera. The link will expire at the end of the trip. Next to that, you can see the Events section, showing the events with the associated current trip. A trip is defined from the Ignition On event until 60 minutes after the vehicle has entered the parking state, after which a parking trip is created, which persists until the next Ignition On event. To the right, you can see the preview panes. This shows the current images from the road and cabin-facing camera, updated every 3 seconds while the vehicle is active and every 15 seconds while the vehicle is parked. You can also select a specific event for the active trip, which includes the image captured by both the cabin and road-facing cameras for that event. You can request the event video 5 seconds before and 5 seconds after the event trigger by clicking on the play button. This footage can be requested for as long as the video is available on the Raven memory card. Harsh braking and potential impact event videos are automatically uploaded. By clicking on the streaming icon, you can live stream the video from the vehicle and toggle between the two cameras. Anything you view while streaming is recorded to the cloud for future reference. Below the Vehicles tab, you will find the Geofences tab, where you can create and configure geofences of interest to your operation. Geofences can be configured to capture entry and/or exit events and can be assigned an auto-delete date if desired. Here on the Histories tab, you can select the vehicle and date of interest and any trip associated with that date. You can then view the trip summary and all events captured for that trip, including the associated event preview images and video. You can also choose to historically stream from any event or point on the map where the video is simultaneously written to the Raven cloud for future reference. Any video can be downloaded in a standard MP4 format to be shared or emailed as required. On the Report tab, you can generate trip, including aggregated trip data, event, account of event types providing insights into any outlying driving behavior, geofence, a summary of geofence interactions. These 3 report types can be filtered by driver when facial recognition is enabled and/or by vehicle. There are also device reports, which include the current status of your Raven devices, and vehicle DTC reports, showing a list of any diagnostic trouble codes that have occurred within the set timeframe for all of the vehicles on your account. You can also set reports for a specified timeframe, and all reports can be expanded and exported for further manipulation or analysis. The Setting tab allows you to set your preferences for all Ravens associated with the account. Settings such as audio recording, which cameras are active, video quality, daily summary reports, driver alerts, speeding threshold, gestures, unit of measure, and facial recognition can be configured and trained here. Under the Admin tab, you can change your password, theme, units of measure that will be presented within the web app, and adjust your billing settings. You can also share individual Ravens to other members of your organization via the Trusted Circle feature, allowing you to control which individuals have access to which vehicles. As you can see, the Raven web app is intuitive and simple to use, allowing you to get up and running without need for extensive training or configuration. For any assistance, you can find support information in the top right-hand corner of the web app.